Hey guys, welcome to Unique Gadgets Official. In this video, I am going to unbox iWatch 5. Let's get started with this video. In front, we find watch branding and T5 Plus original tag. One more thing guys, before buying a T5 watch, check it original or fake. In original, you will find T5 Plus branding. Original tag. In copy you can't find. Let's check right side. It has heart rate sensor, walking motion sensor, and waterproofing sensor and blood monitoring sensor. And the another side is battery sensor, walking sensor, calling function sensor, messaging sensor. Let's check the back side of the watch. Product specification, product name 44 mm, and product weight is 265 grams. It's pretty good. It has GPU called MKT2502. It has 32 MB RAM and it has 128 MB ROM. It has 1.4 resolution and display 240x240 ratio. It supports GPU. It supports Bluetooth 4.0. Let's check the other specification and let's open this box. Packing was pretty good, I must say. We have one analog and a pair of straps. Strap quality was very good, decent quality. Let's unwrap the good. What a glossy finish. Let's keep it beside and check the other content. Check the box content. In box we find paper manual and battery magnetic charging case. You put analog in this and lock the case. Let's turn on watch. Oh, it's battery low. Wow, pretty good display size. Let's check the application. Let's check settings and we find BT settings, clock, another. It has main menu. Let's check contact. Contact, dialer, heart rate and message, calculator, voice recording, water, weather, calendar, and sleep monitoring, pedometer, stopwatch, alarm, setting, lost alarm. Guys, it has lost alarm. Music and camera. Let's check the BP application. Start measuring. Oh, it shows battery low. Let's put it on charge. You have to put in magnetic case and lock it down and plug into a power button. Yeah, it's connected. To pair your watch, you have to download a application from a Play Store or a App Store. You can use in iPhone also. A application called Leafun Wear. Click on the install button and download the application. It's installing, right? Let's open the application. You have to allow the permission to install this application. Allow. you have to allow the app a permission in setting. Search for a Leafon app. Yes, we have Leafon app and turn on the permission. Turn on Bluetooth for this to connect this watch. Yeah, we ready to go. Yeah, it's connecting, guys. Turn on, let's watch and search Bluetooth and search for a device. Yeah, it shows my device name, Oppo A5 2020, and it's pairing, and you have to allow pair button. Yeah, it's connecting, and it's connected. Click on the authorize button. Click on the location permission. Yeah, it's connected now. Let's check the dial pad and calling someone. Wow, wow, it's working. It has dual calling function. You can check messages. Let's check other application. Let's check contact, and let's check heart rate and clicking start measuring. Wow, it's working. Let's check the other app. Let's we have calculator and voice recording, weather, calendar, sleep, step watch, pedometer. Let's check setting now. It has BT setting, clock, and sound, volume, main menu style. We have two main menu style. Display, multi languages. It supports multi language. We have motion sensor, mute incoming, wake up gesture, and shake to answer. About setting it has alarm. You can set alarm and find my phone. We have lost alarm, music. You can play music in this iWatch. It's pretty good, right? It has camera. Let's on the camera and let's check how it's work. Wow, it's good. It's good feature, right? Let's check the other application. It has thermometer, BP, blood oxygen, and Bluetooth. Let's check the clock face now. Wow, very good clock faces. I like this one. Let's check the back side. It has charging point. It has written smartwatch 44mm, stainless steel and ceramic coating. Let's install the strap now. Wow, look at the beauty, guys. Let's take a watch. And the strap quality was pretty decent. And let's turn off the watch. If you want to buy this watch, you can buy on our Instagram page Unique Gadgets Official. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Unique Gadgets Official.